Hi, this is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Today, I'm going to show you this beautiful Galeon 560 Sky. What Sky means is it's a modified flybridge, not a full flybridge, but still nice seating for guests and captain up above, but keeping that low profile express look. Let me start you out on the swim platform so you can see one of the first amazing features of this boat. Beautiful teak throughout the aft deck onto the swim platform. And it makes for a nice soft feel on your feet, good grip too. This is a hydraulic platform, and it's hard to tell because it's connected so tightly to the boat, doesn't move at all, but it will lower into the water. You can have a dinghy or a jet ski here. Over on this area, these stairs deploy, you'll see in the video, where the stairs go down, walk right up, so you don't have to hop up and down. Amazing feature unique to Galeon. 560 gets a crew's quarters. Down here, we'll show you the crew's got their own head. Could also be a wet head for when you're swimming, all your guests. Nice bunk down there. Let's go down and I'll show you the crew and the engine room. Passing through the crew quarters, where there's a beautiful head and bunk for the crew, we've got these Volvo Penta D11 725 horsepower engines. You can see everything in here is easy to get to. You got great insulation. This holds the insulation in. You got port and starboard outside tanks for good stability, fuel tanks, generator in the back, battery switches. Everything's easy to get to, easy to work on throughout the whole engine. You can tell it's going to be great for maintenance. It's going to be great for anything that you have to do down here. Let's go topside and show you some of the luxurious features up there. Just a few steps up from the swim platform, the aft deck. The teak continues up here, also continues up to the sky bridge. Beautiful, soft on the feet, good grip, looks beautiful. Huge L-shaped seating right there. You could lounge out. If you want to dine for a lot of people, you can flip this out, keep it in so it's easy to walk around. I've already brought the main door and the double door folded away so you can see how much space you have to get to the galley, aft galley, and into the salon. And there's a no-step threshold here with a nice teak corrugated drain. Makes for a very convenient boat in any weather conditions. Let's go up to the sky bridge and let me show you the interesting things that has to offer in this boat. You can see the sky bridge is great because it's got plenty of L-shaped seating for probably 6 people there at least. You got a refrigerator right here so you don't have to go downstairs to get a beverage. Helm seat is very nice and convenient. That can let you sit higher. You can see you got a little bit of a windscreen there if you're going fast, which this boat can have a lot of fun. And this button raises the helm up. And the reason it does that is because this is fully hard covered. Press of a button, this cover and that cover come together and completely encloses this whole area when you're not using it. Keeps it out of the weather. Beautiful view up here. That's why they call it the Sky Bridge. Back down comes from the aft deck, as we mentioned earlier. This galley's positioned midship. That way the aft deck can use it very conveniently, and also the main salon can too. It's got everything you need. Storage drawers, top-down fridge, freezer, 2-burner stove, everything you need back here. And it's convenient for everybody up here. If they need anything, it's just a step away. Nice lounger here. This table folds down, and a nice cushion that matches all the fabric on here goes over there. So when you're watching the TV, you could fit a bunch of adults here lounging out on a huge couch. A few steps forward, let me show you the Helm area. Same level as the main salon here. All your guests can be right next to the captain. Captain Helm chair has a seat for 2. Beautiful laid out dash, Galeon smart design. Yeah, almost like stadium seating. You got your Raymarine electronics there, air conditioning vents blowing on you, which is great. And then the next level here, you got your Volvo Penta gauges, your Raymarine autopilot, trim tabs. You can see the indicators where they're at. This boat has got bow and stern thrusters, makes it very easy getting out of tight spaces. You can adjust ever so slightly. Got the Volvo Penta digital throttle shifts here, makes it very convenient for little motions or just to keep it in sync. Also, one of the fun features here is I got a starboard window and it completely opens. Very rare for a yacht this size. Now you can see the starboard window is completely open. It gives me nice fresh air on a nice day or perfect communication for anybody that's helping me tie up the lines. The port side's got the same thing, so this boat can be very open air with that aft deck, side windows here, and another window that opens is the sunroof. Now we got the sunroof completely open. We got the side window open. It's amazing how open and beautiful this boat is. You can be out in the fresh air, and then if it starts to rain, press of a button, both windows go closed, and you're back in the air-conditioned environment. Let's move on to the guest suites. 3 stateroom boat, and I'm going to show you each of those. Moving forward to the bow of the boat is the guest VIP. It's the second largest stateroom on the boat, second to the master. And it's got beautiful natural light coming in from above, coming in from both port and starboard. And you have port and starboard port lights that open for fresh air on those nice days. And currently, you're getting a view from the ensuite that's shared with the other starboard side guest stateroom. On the starboard side, moving back towards the master, you got the guest. 2 beds, they can be pushed together, so it can be a couple or 2 separate kids. Lots of natural light again, and a nice opening port light too for those fresh air days. Moving aft to the midship of the boat is the full beam master. It's the most balanced place of the boat. It's the quietest place of the boat. Something that helps that is all the aerocatura suede that you see throughout. It looks rich and it has nice sound deadening properties. You can see full windows both port and starboard, lots of natural light, and opening port lights both port and starboard too. So for those fresh air days, you can just have the wind coming through. You got a lot of shelf area everywhere, and you got this nice little dual purpose, either desk or makeup area. Sit down here and not have to mingle with the guests right away and just relax. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this beautiful Galeon 560 Sky with me today. If you'd like more information on this boat specifically, or any of our Galeon yachts, please give me a call. Sean O'Haron, MarineMax, Pompano Beach.